Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video marks the beginning of a series that I am super excited to share with you guys. It is a celebrity inspired series. So as you already know, today's look is inspired by Kylie Jenner's I'm just gonna step out during quarantine for a little bit looking super cute look. This is the look right here. As you can see, it's really pink, it's really pretty, and it's really quarantine perfect. But before we start, just a little note. I am not trying to make myself look like that celebrity. In this case, I'm not trying to make myself look like Kylie Jenner, because let's face it, we have very different features. I'm basically just taking the makeup that is created on her and adapting that to my face and my features. Also, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of mini tutorials and tips and tricks and things like that. This is my handle right here. And now let's start. So starting off with the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, I am in the shade number 5. I'm starting at the inner corner, and trust me, this pencil is a godsend because it makes it so easy to create hair-like strokes because of the fine tip of it. And it is actually really easy to fill in as well, as you can see. And I made an oopsie, but base not done, who cares? So you just want to kind of start at your inner corner and work yourself outward. I go heavy-handed when I am on the outside. So after I was done with this, I just went ahead and did my foundation, concealer, and setting powder really quick because I wanted to move on to the eyes. And because that's basically the main part of this look is the eyes and the blush and the highlight, etc, etc. So I used that shade from the NYX Sabrina palette. It is their blush shade called NYX Heart, and I'm using that on the outer and inner corner. Basically, you don't need to be super neat or super precise with this. That's the best part of this look. It is very, very easy. So you want to concentrate that on the inner and outer corner, just using the same brush to do all of that work. And after I was done with the top, I just went ahead and used the same shade on the bottom of my lash line as well. Next, I'm taking one of my favorite eyeliners, actually the favorite eyeliner of all time. This is the Epic Liner, the Love Lust Disco version. And I'm just going to kind of apply that, create a winged liner with that. Now with this, it's really important to note that Kylie does not start her eyeliner all the way on the inner corner, which is what I am doing as well. You do not want to start this all the way at the inner corner. It needs to end just where your lashes start, and don't bring any of that liner towards the inside at all. Be very careful about that. And I'm just kind of creating that liner. It's not a very thick wing. It's very simple. It's very basic. Moving on, I applied the House of Lashes Spellbound lashes. She has a very naturally fluffy lash going on, but this was the closest that I had to it. It's nice, it's fluffy, but it's not exactly what she's wearing. So what I like to do after applying my lashes is just kind of lift the upper corner because it gives that really nice winged shape, and then fuse my natural lashes with the false lash using a mascara. Moving on to the blush. Now this is very important. Once again, using the same shade from the NYX Sabrina palette. You want to make sure that you build this slowly. She's wearing a very heavy blush, as you can see. And I tried to do the same, but obviously built it on very, very slowly. And we're talking about someone from the Kardashian Jenner clan. So hello, bronzing / contouring has to be a must. So I'm using the Hoola bronzer to bronze / contour my face. Using it after doing the blush was such a good idea because it really blended both those shades in very well. And now using the brush that it comes with it, I'm very lightly just contouring my nose. Just making sure to get some color back into my face and not just have a stark pink color on my face. Using that highlight from Fenty Beauty, I'm just applying it to the high points of my face because if you see a couple of pictures from the side, she has a very strong like goldeny rosy pink highlight going on. So what I like to do is just press on the tip of my brush, make it really fine, and use that to basically highlight the bridge of my nose. Exactly what I'm doing. And with whatever product I have left on my brush, I'm just going to highlight my forehead. Cupid's bow and chin, always, never forget that. And this is what I forgot about the eyes. If you see very closely, she has a white eyeliner going on in her waterline, and this is basically done. I don't know why she's done it, but I'm guessing this is the reason, to make your eyes look brighter and wider and bigger. So that white pencil was a bit too stark, which is why I used a Q-tip to tone it down. After which I spritzed myself with the all-nighter setting spray. Once again, holy grail product, love it. Finishing off this look with the Vasanti lip liner in, I will have all the details in the description below. I don't remember the exact name, but this is very similar to the lip shade Kylie is wearing, and I basically just filled in my entire lips with this lip liner. As you can see, it's a beautiful rosy shade, and that's very similar to what Kylie was wearing. And I topped it off with this Revlon Ultra Matte lipstick just to give it a nice kind of a semi-glossy or a creamy look. And that's it, we're done. How easy was that? This was probably the easiest celebrity inspired look I have ever created. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and not to forget, all the product details are mentioned in the description box below. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Ta-da!